Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a handbag unboxing. I'm so excited because I ordered a wallet like a while ago. I even made a post about it as soon as I saw that they dropped the 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 card case. I'm trying to give the proper name because I know there's like, I swear, like, at least for me, all the wallets names are like all the same. So yeah, the 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 card case. I wanted it and they had it on Amazon. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, buy. And guys, if you know, I also ordered my Kisslock, the crystal one, 16, the smaller size, because the big one is way too big for me, so I can't do it. But so I ordered the Kisslock. It got lost in the mail, and so did my 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 card case. They both got lost in the mail, guys. Oh my god. So I ended up having to cancel my order for the Kisslock because they got lost. I just ordered one this weekend through Coach this time, because the other one was through Dillard's. And then so my slim card case got lost too, and it just got here yesterday, guys. Oh my god, I had a horrible bag week. Okay, it was bad. So yeah, I want to unbox this for now, at least, since I'm still waiting for my Kisslock, guys. I already seen everybody unbox theirs. Everybody loves it. Everybody's so happy, and I'm just sitting here like, where's my Kisslock? Where is it? So yeah, guys, I'm still waiting. Still waiting. So yeah, for now I'll just settle for this. I'll be happy with what I got. I'll try it into some bags like I did last time with my card case, because I got that one too. I love it, guys. Amazon has everything, so I will link it down below in case you guys are interested in buying something from the crystal collection. They don't have the Kisslock 16, but they do have the larger size one. So if you want that, go ahead and grab it. You'll probably get that before I get my 16 too, so I don't know. So let's unbox. So yeah, here it is. Look at this. Oh my god, the package is so beat up. Like, I can tell she was just thrown around, you know, in the shipping process. But yeah, I'm just happy she's finally here. I'm happy that I finally got something, you know. So yeah, I ordered this. I don't even remember when I ordered this. Like, I don't even know, but it's here. So you guys saw me unbox the card case. This one, I love it. She's so cute. I'm using her right now, actually. Simple, cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy I waited and I didn't buy the zipper on one, if that's what it's called, because I was like, there's no way that's all they're dropping. They have to drop more wallets, and they sure did. So I got this one, and I got this one. Here she is. Oh, she's cute already. She's a cute size. I haven't even seen her yet, so yeah. So this is, remember, this is a crystal 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 card case if you want it. I'll link it down below as well, from Amazon. And they do have like the next day, like 2-day delivery option, which is awesome because I had to wait like 2 weeks. So yeah. All nicely wrapped up. I'll give you guys a first look. Hold on. It's taped, so. Oh, I got a little bit of a first look. Okay. How is this? Oh my god. Okay. Here she is. Okay, sorry, I was struggling a little bit. So this is how she looks from the front. She does have a little button right here. And this is how she looks in the back. I thought it was all crystal, including this. I guess not. Okay. She's still cute. Look at that. I have to say, that is a hard clip. Look at that. It's a pretty hard clip. There you go. So outside like this, look at that. She has a little insert right here. Let me see how far this crystal goes. Okay, so it actually doesn't, I was like, That's weird. If it would go all the way inside, it doesn't. Look at that. It ends right there. That's decent, I guess. Smells delicious. Smells new. So this is the inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 card inserts right here. It has a pocket in here. It has a zipper pocket right here. Look at that. Look at the tiny little zipper pull. Let me take this off. Oh wait, let me check the crystals before I do anything else. You guys know I'm traumatized. Everything looks good. Okay, let me take this off. And then it has a pocket in here. And then over here. So it has a lot of space. It has a lot of space. It says Coach right here. She's cute. I can already tell I'm gonna be like this. I love that sound for some reason. Oh my gosh, she is cute. I did not know she was in crystal on this side though. Interesting. Wonder why they did that. I wonder if it's because it was a pocket here. I thought it was just all crystal. I guess not. But yeah, she's cute. Look at the sides. She's so cute. So compared to the card case, look at it. Look at it. It's just a tiny bit longer. It's just a little bit longer and taller. Obviously with way more compartments. I love this though. I really wanted something this size, so let me see how it fits. Again, I do have 2 crystal bags. I'm still waiting for my Kisslock whenever the heck is gonna be here. I have the Soho and I have the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. So let's see how it fits. I did show you guys how the card case fits in the bags as well when I unboxed that one. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it down below if you are interested in checking it out as well. So this is my 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. I don't have nothing inside right now. Look at that, it's empty. So see how it fits. You can hear the crystals rubbing on the zipper. I don't like that. I don't like that. That's the reason why I didn't get the zipper on one. Look how much space she takes up. Definitely will stick to using my card case for this bag. Look how she comes up. You can hear the zipper hitting the crystals. So yeah, this is a zipper. This is a 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Let me show you guys how it looks compared. Look at that. It's like almost the same size. So yeah, just to give you guys an idea. So this is my Soho. Look at that. So here there's no zippers besides that pocket. Just goes in nicely. Look at that. That's how it looks inside. When I get my crystal 16, whenever that is, I will put both of these wallets inside so you guys can see how it looks as well. So yeah, this one fits better. I'm still thinking about the slim wallet, even though I know I wouldn't use it for my crystal bags because it is a longer wallet. Maybe for this one, but I know for the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, obviously not. I want it for my other bags, so I don't know. I'm still hesitating. So yeah, this is the Essential Slim card case. So yeah, I'm so happy with it. She is so cute. Like I said, I didn't even know it had this. I think it's because as soon as I saw it, I was just like, I want it. I didn't even care how it looked. I just know it was crystals and it was beautiful and I wanted it. So yeah, I didn't even know about this. Next time I need to look at the pictures. It wouldn't have stopped me from buying it regardless, but yeah, I was just expecting crystals here, so I don't know. I think she is so stinking cute. Let me know if you do have her. Let me know if you're thinking about grabbing her now. Like I said, I will link the link down below so you can get it literally probably by tomorrow, because Amazon is pretty good with their on-time stuff, except today apparently. But yeah, I eventually got it. She's here. She's so cute. I love her. It was definitely worth the wait. I can't wait for my crystal Kisslock to get here. I'm so impatient. Oh my god. So yeah, guys. Oh my god, she's so stinking cute. So yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.